If you're experiencing login issues on Behance, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if the problem persists. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue continues, try accessing Behance from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. If you follow these steps and still cannot log in, consider reaching out to Behance support for further assistance.